everyone, we are here today at Creations Hair Design Studio. My name is Cheryl and I'm the owner, and today we have a very special visitor, Lisa, that's going to be doing something really fantastic. She's going to be donating her hair to Locks of Love. So here's Lisa before. Give us a spin, Lisa. Look at this beautiful hair. And this is a wonderful thing that you're doing today, Lisa. I'm sure everyone at Locks of Love is going to appreciate your beautiful hair. And we're gonna give her a cut, a brand new color, and we will show you more. So, Miss Lisa has taken the plunge with her cutting her long hair. So she donated 10 inches to Locks of Love. We changed the color of her hair to a beautiful warm golden blonde with strawberry highlights. And as you can see, the beautiful shine in the hair. Beautiful, beautiful shine in the hair. And beautiful dimension, and beautiful elongated, longer in the front with a swoopy, sexy side bang. What do you think? Doesn't she look great? Thank you for donating your hair. Sure. We love it.
I say y'all having a good time out there. Don't stop the party. I'm from the city where they stretch, yeah, they slink real fast.